Next, 16th question. Very important question in board level, 5 marks question. If P comma Q are lengths of perpendicular from the origin to lines, from origin coordinates are 0, 0 to lines, which lines? X cos theta minus y sin theta is equals to k cos 2 theta and x secant theta plus y cosecant theta is equals to k respectively. Prove that t square plus 4q square equal to k square. See what they given? Simple concept. P and Q are perpendicular distances from these two lines. That means this is the origin. This is equation number. This perpendicular distance. This is this one. What I am writing is x cos theta minus y sin theta minus k cos 2 theta is equal to 0. I am writing. This is you take as equation number 1. Next, this remaining equation, that is x secant theta minus plus y cosecant theta equals to k is there. So x secant theta plus y cosecant theta minus k is equal to 0. This is the equation number. So this perpendicular distance from origin to this equation 1, this distance is equal to p they given. And this one more equation, this is the equation number 2. This is the equation number 2. This origin to this line distance is equal to what they given q. So we need to find p and q. Next, 4p square plus q square we need to find. That's it. Simple concept. Here, perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance formula from point to line. What is the formula for perpendicular distance? ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root of a square plus b square. So this is the x1 comma y1. Here what is the a? A is the cos theta. B is minus sin theta. C, what is the c? Constant minus k into cos 2 theta is the c. So p is equals to what they given? Perpendicular distance. So p is equals to perpendicular distance from O0, 0 to equation number 1. So that is the formula ax1 plus by1 plus c mod by a square plus b square under root. This is the formula. So p is equals to ax1, a cos theta, x1 is 0, cos theta into 0, 0 plus b minus sin theta, y1 is 0, minus sin theta into 0, 0 plus c. What is the c? Minus k cos 2 theta by under root of a square. A is cos theta, a square is cos square theta plus b square. B is minus sin theta, b square is minus sin theta whole square, that is sin square theta. This is equals to modulus of minus k cos 2 theta by cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1 from the trigonometric identities. So this is equals to 1. So modulus of minus k cos 2 theta is equals to k cos 2 theta only, because it is the distance. Distance is always positive. By square root of 1 only, by 1 is equals to k cos 2 theta only. From this p square is equals to k square cos square 2 theta. So we find the p square value also. Next, we need to find q value next. What is the q? Q is equals to perpendicular distance. Here you see a is equals to, what is the a? X quotient secant theta. B is cosecant theta. C is minus 1. Next, before that I am finding a square plus b square value. Before I am finding a square plus b square value, you see a square plus b square. A square is equal to secant square theta. B square is equal to cosecant square theta. So secant square theta, secant is equal to 1 by cos, so 1 by cos square theta. Cosecant is equal to 1 by sin, so 1 by sin square theta. Now LCM, what is the LCM? Cos square theta into sin square theta LCM. 1 into sin square theta sin square theta plus 1 into cos square theta cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 from the trigonometric identities. So 1 by cos square theta sin square theta. Okay. Now, so in numerator and denominator, you multiply with 4. So multiply with 4. So what we are getting 4 into cos 4 by 4 into cos square theta sin square theta. This is equal to 4 by 4 cos square theta sin square theta. This is equal to 2 cos theta sin theta whole square. So this is equal to 4 by 2 cos theta sin theta is equal to formula sin 2 theta. This is a sin 2 theta, which is equal to a square plus b square is equal to. Now a square plus b square under root is equal to under root of 4 by sin square 2 theta. So root 4 is equal to 2 by sin square root of sin square is equal to sin. So sin 2 theta. This is the square root of a square plus b square value. Why I find to say this is in formula, what we have the distance is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root of a square plus b square. So under root of a square plus b square value some little bit lengthy is there, so that I find this one. Here why I can't find here a square plus b square? A square plus b square value very simple, cos square theta plus sin square theta 1. So directly I substitute here. Here before only I find. Next to q. What is the q you see now? Q is equal to perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance from origin 0, 0 to equation number 2. What is the equation number 2? What is the equation number 2? X secant theta plus y cosecant theta minus k equal to 0. Here a value is secant theta, b value cosecant theta, c value minus k, x1 comma y1 is 0 comma 0. So q is equal to formula ax1 plus by1 plus c mod by a square plus b square. Okay, ax1, a secant theta, x1 value 0, so 0 into something 0. So b cosecant theta, y1 value 0, so cosecant theta plus 0, 0. Next to plus c value is minus k. By a square plus b square, a square plus b square is equal to what? 2 by sin 2 theta. This is equal to modulus of minus k value. Modulus of minus k is equal to k by 2 sin 2 theta. Okay? 2 by sin 2 theta. So this third position multiplied first position. So q is equal to k into sin 2 theta by 2. First and third positions are multiplying. Second and fourth positions are multiplying. So first position k, third position sin 2 theta. Those are multiplied. So now 2 into q, 2q is equal to k sin 2 theta. Now squaring on both sides. So 4q square is equal to k square into sin Now p square plus 4q square is equals to p square value. What is the p square value? K square cos square 2 theta plus q square value k square sin square 2 theta. So now k square is common, cos square 2 theta plus sin square 2 theta. From the trigonometric identity, this is 2 theta you take as x. So cos square x plus sin square x is equals to 1 from the trigonometric identity. So k square into 1. Therefore p square plus 4q square is equals to k square. This is the answer. This is the very important question. Some little bit lengthy but definite question this one. You practice minimum 2 times this one. Okay. Next question. Next, 17th question. 17th question. In a triangle ABC with vertices A 2, 3, B 4, -1 and C 1, find the equation and length of altitude from the vertex A. From the vertex A. So, what is the definition of altitude? What we need to find here? We need to find the length of altitude and its equation. These both though we need to find. What is the definition of altitude? Altitude is a perpendicular line segment from a vertex to its opposite side. This is the vertex A. Its opposite side is BC. When we draw a line segment from A to BC, it compulsory perpendicular to BC. So this is the BD is the altitude. In finding ortho center, we are using this concept, AD line equation. So AD line equation, first we are finding the AD line equation. What is the AD here? Altitude. So this AD line equation we need to find. Later we need to find the D bar, AD length also. How we are finding this thing? So here, first I am finding BC slope. BC slope is equal to, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Slope formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is 2 minus r minus plus 1, right? x2 minus x1, 1 minus 4. That is 3 by minus 3. 3 will cancel minus 2. This is the slope of BC. Next, here AD is perpendicular to BC. So slope of AD into slope of BC is equals to -1. Slope of AD is slope of AD into -1 is equals to -1. So slope of AD is equals to minus we can say 1. So m is equals to 1. Slope is equals to 1. And this line, this AD line passing through which point? A point. So those A coordinates you take as x1, y1. That is 2, 3. Now line equation. What is the line equation? Line equation of AD, nothing but altitude. That is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. That is y minus y1 is equal to 3 is equal to m1, x minus x1 is 2. That is y minus 3 is equal to x minus 2. X minus 2 minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. X minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So this is our altitude equation. Next, what we need to find? AD line equation. So AD length, how we are finding AD length? How we are finding the AD length? Here two concepts is there. So we know AD equation. Next, you find BC equation. BC equation, how we are finding? Passing through 2 points. What is the line equation? Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So by using that one, otherwise BC slope already we know, so that is minus 1. It is passing through B or C. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. From that also we are getting BC equation. We know AD equation and BC equation. By solving those two, we are getting D coordinates. Next, we will find the distance from A to D. This is the one concept. Another concept is just you find BC equation. Next, you find the perpendicular distance from A to BC. Nothing but that is the length, perpendicular length. That is nothing but altitude. So that is the easy. See, now slope of BC. Slope of BC, m is equal to minus 1, and here B coordinates I am taking as x1 comma y1. So that is 4 comma minus 1. Now equation of BC. That is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. That is y minus y1 minus or minus plus 1 is equal to m value minus 1 into x minus x1 is equal to 4. So y plus 1 plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. This minus of complete are taken left side. So x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Here a is x quotient 1, b is y quotient 1, c is minus 3. And now finding the length of AD. Length of AD is equal to nothing but perpendicular distance from A to BC. line. So that is nothing but formula ax1 plus by1 plus c mod by a square plus b square under root. So a is equal to 1. x1, what here? A coordinates that is 2 comma 3. These one you take as x1 comma y1. So 1 into 2 plus 1 into 3 plus c value minus 3 mod by a square value 1 square, b square value also 1 square. So 2 plus 3 minus 3 mod by 1 plus 1 under root 3 cancel 2 by root 2, that is equal to root 2 is the answer. What is now what they are asking? Equation of AD. What is the equation of AD? X minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Length of altitude is root. This is the solution. Next, last question in this exercise in the chapter. So 18th one. 18th question. If P is the length of perpendicular from origin to the line whose intercept on x-axis are A and B, then show that 1 by P square is equals to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. 1 by A square, P 1 by B square is equals to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. See, this 16th, that is perpendicular distance P comma Q are perpendicular distance from the two lines they given. Then we showed P square plus 4Q square is equal to K square. That one you remember, and this formula also you remember. What is this formula? P is the perpendicular distance from origin to line. Which line? Whose intercepts having A and B. This x intercept A, y intercept B. This line origin to line distance is equals to P. The relation between them is 1 by B square is equals to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. These formulas directly we are using in computer. So these two formulas here. So very easy you see. 0 origin coordinates are 0 comma 0. This is x1 comma y1. And line equation intercept form. The line equation in intercept form. Intercepts also they given. What are the intercepts? A and B. So that is x by A plus y by B. X by A plus y by B is equals to 1. From that, x by A plus y by B minus 1 is equal to 0. Here A is equals to A, otherwise you write one more step. 1 by A into x plus 1 by B into y minus 1 equal to 0. This is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. What is the a? X coefficient, that is 1 by b is 1 by b, c is minus 1. Now what they given? P is the perpendicular distance from where? From origin 0 comma 0. From origin 0 comma 0 to equation. Which equation? This equation 1. Equation 1. What is the formula? Formula is P is equals to ax1 plus by1 plus c mod by a square plus b square under root. Okay. Now you substitute all the values. P is equals to A is equals to 1 by A into x1 0. 1 by A into 0, 0. Plus B is equals to 1 by B into y1 is equal to 0. So total is 0. Plus C is equals to what? Minus 1. This is the numerator. Divided by A square. A is 1 by A square is 1 by A square. B is 1 by B square is 1 by B square. So P is equals to modulus of minus 1 is plus 1. So 1 by A square plus 1 by B square under root. Now this square root of 1 by A square plus 1 by B square you take at left side. So 1 by A square plus 1 by B square under root is equals to P on the right side. 1 by. Now you take squaring on both sides. So 1 square is equal to 1, left side square root is they cancel, right side 1 by p square. So that implies 1 by p square is equal to what do you say? Left side, if you take a left side, 1 by a square plus 1 by b square under root. So this is equals to 1 by p, squaring on both sides. Left side square root is they can see 1 by a square plus 1 by b square is equals to 1 by p square. Therefore, 1 by p square is equals to 1 by a square plus 1 by p square. This is the answer. This is is also important in board, and this formula also important. This one remember as a formula. This is the exercise 80. Straight lines are completely finished. Next we have some examples. Examples we will see next video.